Today is 31st October. We are at Ban Prakop Custom House. It's this is Singapore time. So this is okay. I'll take it for Malaysia time. Singapore time is 4 p.m. Now we are heading into Malaysia. This is our second last day. Tomorrow, Singapore. This is the custom declaration form that you need to return within 30 days. If you don't return this, you will get a summon 1,000 baht a day here.